First, unplug the original cable for easy installation. This cable is an unnecessary cable. Pull out the back 2-color wire. Insert the 3-color line we provide you to replace it. The 3-color line is inserted into the hole of the original 2-color line. Then insert our cable into the hole of the CN8. This is the overall process of replacing the cable. The cable of the CN8 is connected to the shield plate. The 2-color wire also needs to be inserted into the shielding plate. The 3-color wire also needs to be connected to the shielding plate. Please follow the video strictly. The cable of the code disk sensor can use its own cable, or the long cable we provide. These 3 wires also need to be temporarily removed. Unplug the first cable inside, and insert it into the cable we provide. The cable can be restored after replacing the cable. Please note that the cable must be restored to its original appearance. This is all the steps of modifying the cable. Please follow the video tutorial strictly.